Welcome back. Rocket, today we're checking out 20 next level RC toys of 2025, from flying drones to monster trucks and crazy robots. Hit that like button and subscribe, you won't believe what these gadgets can do.
Number 10. Traxxas Sledge.
The Traxxas Sledge is built for those who crave extreme performance and unstoppable toughness. Designed to handle serious off-road punishment, it comes powered by a brutal 6S system and reinforced with oversized steel gears that can take heavy hits. The precision-engineered aluminum chassis keeps it lightweight yet incredibly strong, ensuring durability without compromising speed. Its clipless body design allows quick access to internal components for easy maintenance, while the 2000 kV brushless motor delivers mind-blowing acceleration. The belted sledgehammer tires grip any surface with authority, giving you total control even in rough terrain. Whether you're bashing through dirt tracks or jumping ramps, this truck defines what true RC engineering should feel like: fast, powerful, and nearly indestructible.
Number 9. Redcat 64 Lowrider.
The Redcat 64 is a tribute to pure automotive art, capturing the timeless spirit of the 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS in 1/10 scale. Every inch of this lowrider has been crafted with authentic detail, from its chrome bumpers and hydraulic-style suspension to the officially licensed body that shines with classic West Coast personality. Its servo-driven suspension lets it hop, tilt, and glide like the real thing, controlled precisely through a 6-channel radio system. Optional LED lighting adds flair for nighttime displays, while the sleek body design brings nostalgic elegance to your RC collection. More than just a model, this car moves with rhythm and soul, turning every drive into a stylish showcase of motion, culture, and innovation.
Number 8.
K170UH-60L Black Hawk Helicopter. The K170UH-60L brings the power and precision of the iconic Black Hawk helicopter into your hands. Crafted with incredible attention to detail, it replicates the real aircraft's military design, from its aerodynamic body to its rotor system. Equipped with 4-channel 2.4 GHz control and a 6-axis gyro, it delivers stable, smooth, and realistic flight, even for beginners. Its brushless motor provides consistent thrust and efficiency, while the triple battery setup extends flight time for longer missions. Built with durable materials, it withstands minor crashes and outdoor conditions. Whether hovering gracefully or flying high-speed patterns, the K170 offers the experience of piloting a tactical helicopter with professional-grade precision and reliability. Its realism, control, and performance combined perfectly.
Number 7.
Toucan D11T Hydraulic Bulldozer. The Toucan D11T is a masterpiece of RC engineering, built to replicate the raw power of a full-scale bulldozer. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and designed with dual hydraulic pumps, it can lift, tilt, and push with true hydraulic realism. Every movement of the 1/10 scale blade feels authentic, controlled through a 5-way valve system for smooth mechanical accuracy. With working headlights, engine sounds, and realistic smoke effects, the D11T transforms your backyard into a miniature construction site. Its metal tracks give it excellent traction on rough terrain, while precise remote controls offer full operational command. More than a toy, this hydraulic bulldozer delivers an industrial-grade experience, combining power, technology, and craftsmanship that feels incredibly lifelike. Number 6. Silbert 5-in-1 STEM Robot Kit. The Silbert 5-in-1 STEM kit brings creativity and learning together in one innovative package. With 488 high-quality pieces, you can build up to 5 different robots, including mechs, cars, and futuristic creatures. Each design comes to life through Bluetooth control or a dedicated remote, letting you steer, program, and experiment freely. The kit encourages kids to explore basic coding, robotics, and mechanical design through hands-on play. Powered by a rechargeable system, every build can operate for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Perfect for both beginners and young engineers, it's more than a toy, it's a complete educational experience designed to spark curiosity, develop problem-solving skills, and inspire the next generation of inventors.
Number 5.
GT3 8K Mini Drone. The GT3 8K Mini Drone delivers breathtaking aerial performance in a compact, foldable design. It's equipped with dual HD cameras that capture stunning 8K footage and vibrant photos with crystal clarity. GPS positioning and 5G Wi-Fi provide smooth, responsive control, keeping your flight stable even in windy conditions. With one-key takeoff, headless mode, and intelligent tracking, it's simple enough for beginners yet powerful enough for advanced users. You can perform 360-degree flips, set custom flight paths, and record cinematic shots from above. Its long-lasting battery ensures extended flight time for uninterrupted filming. Portable, reliable, and feature-packed, the GT3 drone transforms ordinary moments into cinematic adventures, making it perfect for travelers, vloggers, and aerial photography enthusiasts.
Number 4.
Amphibious 8-wheel RC truck. The amphibious 8-wheel RC truck redefines all-terrain driving with its ability to dominate land and water alike. Designed with a 1/12 scale rugged body and oversized all-terrain tires, it effortlessly conquers mud, sand, rocks, and even ponds. The fully waterproof design allows seamless transition from dirt tracks to shallow water without losing momentum. Its 8-wheel independent drive system ensures superior traction and balance, while the responsive 2.4 GHz controller provides precise steering. A high-capacity battery extends playtime for non-stop action. Whether crashing through rough trails or floating across puddles, this RC beast delivers a thrilling, unstoppable experience. Built for kids and adults alike, it's pure outdoor excitement powered by innovation and durable engineering.
Number 3.
K11 Max Drone with Water Bomb Launcher. The K11 Max drone blends advanced flight technology with thrilling interactive features. Designed for high-performance fun, it's equipped with triple HD cameras for clear, cinematic footage from multiple angles. Brushless motors and optical flow stabilization keep flight smooth and controlled, even at high speed. Its standout feature, a water bomb launcher, adds a playful twist, letting you engage in aerial battles or fun backyard missions. AI-assisted flight controls enhance stability and precision, while modular batteries provide extended airtime. The smart remote offers intuitive commands for flips, tracking, and altitude hold. Perfect for both photography and entertainment, the K11 Max takes drone flying beyond imagination, offering a futuristic mix of fun, innovation, and creativity.
Number 2.
Jingrue 112 Military Crawler. The Jingrue 112 Military Crawler delivers true off-road adventure with a design inspired by military-grade vehicles. Its 4-wheel drive traction system, combined with an adjustable speed feature, ensures powerful movement across mud, sand, and rocky terrain. The durable suspension system provides balance and shock absorption for rough environments, while the openable doors and detailed interior bring realistic touches. Dual rechargeable batteries extend your missions, giving hours of non-stop fun. Built to endure flips, climbs, and impact, this crawler doesn't slow down under pressure. Its rugged design makes it perfect for outdoor exploration and collectors who appreciate precision detail. Whether you're a hobbyist or a first-time driver, it's a perfect mix of strength, realism, and excitement.
Number 1.
Foldable 4K Mini UAV. The foldable 4K Mini UAV combines portability, performance, and precision in one sleek package. Designed for effortless flight, it features one-key takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode for intuitive control. 6-axis stabilization ensures smooth handling and stable video capture. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, it records crisp aerial footage and panoramic shots with vivid detail. You can perform 360-degree flips, control it via smartphone, and enjoy real-time FPV transmission through Wi-Fi. The foldable arms make it easy to store and carry anywhere, while the powerful battery supports extended flying sessions. Compact yet powerful, this drone turns ordinary landscapes into cinematic masterpieces, making it ideal for travelers, vloggers, and adventure enthusiasts. That's a wrap on the craziest RC gadgets of 2025.
Collision.
Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more epic tech finds every week.
High voltage.